Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're taking a quick look at what you can do with a D-24 license. Now I've got timestamps below the video that'll take you to specific sections so you can find the information you're looking for as quickly as possible. Now the D-24 metal products contractor installs, modifies, or repairs a variety of different metal products. I've got this definition linked below. I strongly suggest that you check that out. The D-24 falls under the C-61 limited specialty umbrella. Again, I'm not going to go through all of these points. I've got this definition linked below. You should check it out, but there are two very specific points that I want to take a closer look at. An applicant classified and licensed in the classification limited specialty shall confine activities as a contractor to that field or fields and scope of operations set forth in the application and accepted by the registrar, or to that permitted by Section 831. A specialty contractor other than a C-61 contractor may perform work within the field and scope of the operations of classification C-61, provided the work is consistent with established usage and procedure in the construction industry and is related to the specialty contractor's classification. So you always want to make sure that the type of work you're doing falls under the correct license classification so that you don't run into any issues with the CSLB. Now, the vast majority of the contractors that hold the D-24 license are doing rain gutter work. So installation, cleaning, and repair of various gutter systems, gutter system design, aluminum, steel, and copper gutters. Generally, this is in a residential, commercial setting, so apartments, condominiums, etc. But this is also, your rain chain installation. This could include product sales and supplier, dealer type of situations as well. Seamless and half round gutters, and then obviously cleaning gutters, so your maintenance work as well. Like I said, the vast majority of the contractors with the D-24 are specializing in rain gutter work. Next, you have storage systems, so metal cabinetry, lockers, shelving cabinetry. This is design, installation, repair, refurbishment. These types of situations are found in warehouses, schools, in some cases, hospitals, laboratories, different pallets, metal load racks. In a lot of cases, they're offering similar services like building permit services, seismic safety inspections, project management, fixed asset recovery, warehouse mezzanines, and things like this. And then in addition, wire enclosures and mailboxes. Now, there's a lot of other services too, but these are the two big ones: storage systems and rain gutters. Now, in the state of California, contractors can hold multiple contractor licenses. The most common pairings for the D-24 are the C-39 roofing, the B general building license, and the D-34 prefabricated equipment. Now, in order to get an additional contractor license, you've got to not only have that experience, but then also pass that additional trade exam. We've got a lot of information about holding multiple contractor licenses on our website. You should definitely check it out. Now, in order to get the D-24, you've got to pass the California Construction Law Exam. This is a quite extensive exam covering a lot of different legal topics, everything from bidding and cost control to insurance types to labor laws to contracts, mechanics liens, company organization, taxes. There's a lot of information. We cover it all in our course. You can find that below this video. In addition, you want to make sure you're tight with your math. So arithmetic, units of measurement, calculating square footages, your percentages and decimals, extremely important. Like I said, all of this is covered in the course in an extremely clear and easy to understand format with tons of examples and diagrams, a complete summary covering everything you need to know. This would come in the form of physical study guides or ebooks, online videos with audio reviews, tons of online practice exams, a complete math course, and then of course application preparation and review to ensure your application is filled out correctly before you send it to the CSLB. And then of course throughout the entire process, full customer support. We're here for you every single step of the way. Now, we've got a separate video that goes into the D-24 license requirements. I strongly suggest that you check that out. We've also got the most updated fees and links to the application below. I hope that you found this information helpful. If you have a question, drop them in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.